take you, Jonah, don't worry. Okay, group site 1. Sounds like there's water to the right or left. There's another little site back here. We're supposed to be walking to the car. Distractions. Another little site back there. I don't know if you can see. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. And a little path that probably takes you to campsite 4 on the other side there. And it sounds like water is back this way. Cool. Do you hear the water?
Yeah.
I think that little path will take you back to it. It's a neat little site. A little big for us, but we had other people, right?
Yeah.